Hi, my name is Mike Lackey. I'm the Global Head of Solution Management for Digital Manufacturing here at SAP. Customers are pushing us for innovation. They have business problems to solve. Up in the boardroom, companies are discussing how they're going to change their business models. Products as a service. Why should I pay for something when I don't use it? Usage-based, service-based modeling. Well, if you're going to change your business models, you've got to change the way you manufacture. So these new business processes have to support these new business models. And think about it, we're in the digital world, and what does that really mean? Social media and access to customers have never been at a high. We talked about the Ariba Network. Think about this. The day you connect to the Ariba Network, you have access to over 1.5 million potential new customers. 1.5 million in one network. What if in the first 80 days, you had 2% success? That is 30,000 new customers. Not 30,000 new orders, but 30,000 new customers. Can you scale in your manufacturing operations? Can you deliver on that type of exponential growth? That's the way we have to start thinking. That is the digital world, and that's what we're doing here at SAP, tying your business systems down to the shop floor and that bi-directional connection. We announced the connection of the SAP Digital Manufacturing Network with the Ariba Network. Now what does this mean? We're able now to bring collaborative and tie together discrete manufacturers into the Ariba Network. Think about this. In the Ariba Network, there's over 30,000 discrete suppliers. Now our customers that are running SAP Digital Manufacturing in the cloud can access those 30,000 discrete manufacturers to find new suppliers for their new solutions or their new products or the innovation that they're delivering out.